Good morning, students. I hope you all are fine. My name is Amarpreet Kaur and I am your computer teacher. Today we will do a answer sheet of chapter number first, that is computer software. Now look at your page number 12 first, and then on we will go on a page number 13. Now open page number 12. Now A part is take the correct option. First is dash is not a type of system software. Now which one is not a system software? It is word processor, because word processor is an application software. It is not a system software. Next is MS Word is an example of application software. Uh, yes, MS Word is a application software. Okay. Next, Dash is not a programming software. Compiler is a programming software, interpreter, assembler, but spreadsheet is not a programming software. Fourth is Dash is an operating system. I have already told you in the class that our Windows like Windows 7, 10, all those things are operating system. MS Windows is our operating system. Now come to part B. Write T for true and F for false. First is data compression program is used to compress large sized files into smaller size file. Yes, it is true. We can compress a large files into a small one. Okay, true. A computer system is made up of number of software devices. No, only software devices are not included in computer system. There are computer is a combination of hardware plus software. So it is false. A virus scanner is used to scan only folders for virus. No, it is not only used for folders. You can scan your whole computer. So that's why it is false. DBMS is a utility software. No, it is not a utility software. So this is also false. Now next C part is fill in the blanks. A computer, first is a computer is controlled by dash instructions. Computer only follow the instructions. Okay. Dash manages computer resources. Who manage the computer resources? That is your system software. And which system software? That is operating system. Next, CAD, computer aided design, is an example of dash. It is a CAD is a application software. Okay. Dash organizes fragments of files into continuous blocks. Which thing we use to organize the files into the blocks? Suppose your files are located at different locations, but your system will create only a single file of these three files. And which technique we use for this purpose? We use a disk defragmenter. Okay. Now next, match the following. First is writer. Writer belongs to word processor. Okay, it is a word processor. Lotus 123 is a spreadsheet. Base is DBMS. Okay, base is related to DBMS, and draw is related to graphic software because it is a graphic software. Photoshop is a GTP software. Okay, we can also use Photoshop for designing. Next, let's do it. A part is short answer type questions. Now, first question is define computer. Now, what is a computer? Computer can be defined as an electronic device that performs diverse operations with the help of instructions to process the data in order to achieve desired results. Now, computer is just a machine. We provide a input to the computer and then we get a results. We get output in the form of results. Now, one thing I want to tell you here that you have to write these questions, only questions you have to write on your notebook. And the other book work you have to do on the book, and do the other work on your book. your fill-ups, take the correct answer, matchings you do on your book. Okay, and the question answers means A part, and your B part you have to do on your notebook. Take a one notebook and write a computer notebook on that, and then write only question answers. Okay, next is, what is an operating system? Operating system means we are talking about our window. Operating system is most important software that runs on a computer. Okay, it manages the computer memory, process data, controls all the softwares as well as hardware. It serves as an interface between user and hardware. Now it is a very important software, because without installing the window we can't use a computer, because computer is just a hardware for us without a software, without an operating system. And the function of the operating system is to manage the memory and to process the data and control all the softwares like your applications, MS Word, MS Excel, your games. It will control, as well as it will also control your hardware devices. And it uh, also create serve as a bridge. It works as a bridge between user and hardware. User, we people use the window and we communicate with the hardware. Okay, now next, third is, what do you mean by multimedia software? Multimedia software are used to combine the text with graphics. You can combine the text with graphics and videos and sounds. Multimedia means you are using the you are using any kind of text, videos and sounds, and it is called a multimedia software. And in under multimedia software you can watch videos. Okay, now next question is, what is an application software? Application software is a program designed to help users perform specific tasks. Each application software is designed for a particular purpose, for a particular task. Suppose we have a MS Word. So MS Word is designed for what purpose? We type a text, we create documents in the MS Word. Okay, so each and every application software has their own role. Okay, now next, long answer type questions. Okay, only so again I am telling you, only this A and B part, means short question answers and long question answers you need to write on your notebook, and other things write on the book. Okay, now what is system software and what are the different types of system software? System software is the most important component, or you can say most important part to operate a computer. It is a very important. I have already told you our system software is our window. It is classified into three categories. It has three types. First is operating system, and next type is the programming software, in which we can do a programming, and next is the utility software. Okay, now second is, mention the types and examples of application software. Application softwares are classified into two categories. It has two types, or you can say we can classify into two categories. First is general purpose software and second is customized software. Now, examples of application software are word processor, means your MS Word, spreadsheet, Excels, MS Excel, presentation software, and DBMS. Now, what is the full form of DBMS? Database management system. Now, next is crack the code topic. Under this, there are application based questions, and these questions you can write on a book. Okay, write on a book, because there is a space you can write it, because these are only one word questions. Okay, only application based questions. No need to write on the notebook. Only the top on the topics which we have covered under A part and B part, only these two topics you have to write on the notebook. Now first is, Sia's father wants to type a letter to his father. What type of software should he use? Okay, now there is a girl, Sia, and there is a father of Sia, and her father want to type a letter to his friend. Sia's father want to type a letter to his friend. Then what type of software he will use? He will use a MS Word, because MS Word we use for a typing purpose. Now next is Ramesh. Ramesh mother wants to check if her system has a virus or not. Okay, if you want to check a virus in your computer, if there is a virus or not, then which software does she need for? Then you have to install a antivirus. And what is the name of antivirus? You can say virus scanner, and this is the name of the antivirus quick heal. Okay. Third is Suman wants to compress same files on her systems. Suppose someone want to compress the files. Compress means he want to minimize the size of large files into a small files. Okay, and which utility should he use, and which thing should she use? She will use a WinZip. Okay, she will create a zip folder, and this software WinZip will minimize the size of a file. Now your answer sheet is up to this, and you have to complete this homework this week within 2 days. Okay, and after that I will ask you to send me the pdf of your work. So after completing your work, make a PDF of your book work and make a PDF of question answers, means A and B part, which you will write on your notebook. Make a PDF of these both things and then send me, and only send on that day which day I will ask you. Now thank you students. Stay home, stay healthy, stay happy.